Sorry. Good morning, students. Welcome to another lecture on complex sentences. In my last lecture on complex sentences, I was talking about adverb clauses. So I ended my last lecture with the kinds of adverb clauses. In the end of my lecture, I talked about kinds of adverb clauses and promised to discuss these kinds of adverb clauses in detail in my next lecture. So in this lecture, I will discuss different kinds of adverb clauses. So first, adverb clause of time. Adverb clause of time, clauses of time are introduced by the subordinating conjunctions like whenever, while, after, before, since, as, etc. Okay? So these are the subordinating conjunctions. Let us take a few examples. First, when. When you have finished your work, you may go home. So we are using when. When you have finished your work, you may go home. Okay? Next sentence. Do it before you forget. Before is also a subordinating conjunctions, as I told you in the beginning. When I was talking about adverb clauses of time. Okay? So do it before you forget. Next, complex sentences में adverb clauses of place. Second category. Adverb clauses of place are introduced by the subordinating conjunctions where and whereas. Okay? We will take a couple of examples. I have put it where I can find it again. Where? I have put it where I can find it again. Okay? Next example. You can put it wherever you like. So we are using wherever. Okay? Next, adverb clause of purpose. Adverb clauses of purpose are introduced by the subordinating conjunctions so that, in order that, and lest. These are the subordinating conjunctions. Let us take a few examples. First, I will give you a map so that you can find the way. So that we are using. Again, next example. We eat so that we may live. So that. Okay? So ये थे adverb clauses of purpose. Then adverb clauses of cause or reason. Yes. Adverb clauses of cause or reason are introduced by the subordinating conjunctions because, since, as, that, etc. ये subordinating conjunctions हैं adverb clause of reason या cause के लिए. Let us take a couple of examples. First, because. Yes, because I like you, I shall help you. We are using because subordinating conjunction. Next example is, I am glad that you like it. That we have used that. So adverb clause of cause or reason. Next, adverb clause of condition. Okay. Adverb clauses of condition are introduced by the subordinating conjunctions if, whether, unless. एडवर्ब क्लॉज ऑफ कंडीशन के लिए ये if, whether, unless use these subordinating conjunctions. Example: if I like it, I shall buy it. If we have used if. Next, unless you work hard, you will fail. We have used unless. Unless you work hard, you will fail. Okay. Next, complex sentences में adverb clauses of result or consequence. Adverb clauses of result or consequence are introduced by the subordinating conjunctions that. Okay, frequently so or such, या तो so word या such precedes it in the principal clause. Adverb clause of result या consequence में principal clause में so या such word use करते हैं. Example के लिए, he is such a good man, such that all respect him. That आया, उससे पहले such. Very heavy rain fell so that, so आया, that the rivers were soon in flood. Okay. Next, adverb clause of comparison. अब इसमें दो डिवीजन है. Adverb clauses of comparison are of two kinds. Number one, adverb clauses of comparison of degree, and second is adverb clauses of comparison of manner. Okay. So adverb clauses of comparison of degree are introduced by the subordinate conjunctions then or by the relative adverb as. Okay. Comparison, adverb clause of comparison of degree जो है उसमें या तो then या relative adverb as यूज करती है. Example: he is older than he looks. Then he is as stupid as he is lazy as. या एक चीज नोट करनी है, the verb of the adverb clause of comparison of degree is often understood and not expressed. Okay, जैसे एग्जाम्पल लेंगे नेक्स्ट वाला, nobody knows it better than I do understood. Okay. Next, adverb clauses of comparison of manner. So adverb clauses of comparison of manner are introduced by the relative adverb as. For example, you may do as you wish. As use किया है. It is all ended as I expected. Again we have used as. As he has lived, so will he die. Again we have used as. So ये थे adverb clauses of comparison of manners. And the last one is adverb clause of supposition or concession. ये last वाला. तो adverb clauses of comparison, supposition or concession are introduced by the subordinating conjunctions though, although, even, if, etc. We can explain it by a few examples. For example, though I am poor, I am honest. We have used though. Okay. Next, although I forbid this, you have done it. Although. Next, I would not do it even if you paid me. Even if. We have used even if. So ये आपके थे adverb clauses. Okay. ये rules थे कुछ adverb clauses के जितने भी काइंड्स हैं, जो भी क्लासिफिकेशन वो बताया. एंड इन माई नेक्स्ट लेक्चर ऑन एडवर्ब क्लॉज आई विल टेक एन एक्सरसाइज. ओके, so thank you.